Hello, my dear. Today, I want to talk to you about something that might be weighing you down completely, right? It might be just weighing on your heart right now, which is love, partnership, that deep desire to find your person. Maybe your family is asking, when will you get married? Maybe you've been through a heartbreak and now you're wondering if you'll ever trust again. Maybe you're watching everyone around you find their partners while you are still waiting. Maybe you feel like something is wrong with you only. So let me tell you something very important. There is nothing wrong with you. You are not too old, not too damaged, not too picky, not too of anything for that matter. You are exactly where you need to be. And here's what I've learned through my own journey and through working with thousands of women. Sometimes the reason that we haven't met our divine life partner has nothing to do with timing, luck, or fate. It has everything to do with energy. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a powerful Hawaiian prayer which is called Ho'oponopono that can help you clear all your energetic blocks standing between you and your divine life partner. And this is not about desperately chasing love, my dear. This is all about becoming whole, becoming healed, becoming so magnetic that the right person naturally finds the way to you, right? So now take a deep breath with me. Come on, take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's begin this beautiful journey of calling in your divine partnership. But before we dive into the prayer itself, we need to understand what might be blocking love from flowing into your life. So I'll tell you, my love is your natural state. You were born worthy of deep, beautiful, sacred partnership. But over the years, we have accumulated energetic blocks that creates wall around our heart, right? And these blocks might look like past relationship traumas. Maybe someone broke your heart. Maybe you were betrayed by somebody. Maybe someone abandoned you or even made you feel small. And that pain creates an energetic shield. Your heart says, I want love. But your energy says, don't come too close to me, right? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Next one, very, very important. Deep down, you might not believe that you deserve extraordinary love. Maybe you were told that you're too much, or that you're not enough, you're not good. Maybe you've internalized these ideas that you need to be perfect to be loved, right? And one more thing, very important. In our Indian culture especially, we carry generations of relationship patterns. Yes, my dear, arranged marriages where love wasn't prioritized, women who sacrificed their happiness for just duty, marriages that was more about family alliance than soul connection. These patterns live in our energy field still. Yes. So to truly love and is to be truly fully seen. Yes or no? Tell me that, right? And sometimes that is also terrifying. It's easier to stay protected, to keep people at one arm's length, right? To sabotage connections before they get too deep for you. One more very important point, the constant questions. When will you get married? What's wrong with you? Oh, you're not married yet. You're getting too old. You're too educated. Who will marry you? Or maybe you're too independent. This creates anxiety. This creates desperation energy, which actually repels the right partner from coming into your life, right? And one more thing, watching friends get married, sometimes, you're seeing couples on social media and now you are feeling left behind. Does this happen with you? And this creates what? Scarcity energy instead of that abundance energy, right? But here's the beautiful truth. Ho'oponopono can help you clear all of these blocks. I mean it, all of these. This ancient Hawaiian practice works on the principle that everything in your external reality is nothing else but a reflection of your own internal state. So when you heal within, your external reality also starts to shift. And Ho'oponopono means to make right or to correct an error. And we are going to use it today to make right the relationships between you and your love. So the Ho'oponopono prayer has 4 simple but very profound phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So let me explain what each phrase means in the context of attracting your divine life partner. I am sorry for what? This is you taking 100% responsibility of your energy state, right? You're acknowledging that somewhere within you, there are some beliefs, some patterns, or some energies that has been blocking love to enter your life. You're not blaming yourself here. You're simply saying, you know what, I'm seeing this, right? I'm seeing that I've been carrying blockages, and now I'm ready to release all of that, and I take responsibility of this now, right? So you might be saying sorry to your heart for closing it off, or to yourself for not believing that you're worthy, to all your past partners for any unresolved pain that is carrying within you, right? Or even your future partner, and thanking them to wait while you are healing. All right? Now, the next statement, please forgive me. This is asking for forgiveness from the divine, from your own soul, from love itself. You're asking to be released from the burdens of all these blockages, my dear. You're asking for grace. Next comes thank you. Thank you is the gratitude, right? And gratitude is the highest vibration. So by saying thanks, by actually saying thank you, you're already acknowledging that the healing is happening within you. You're thanking yourself for doing this work. You're thanking your future partner for being patient enough, right? You're thanking the universe for actually creating an orchestra, right? While you're meeting in the perfect timing to your perfect partner. Yes, my dear, and I love you finally. Love is the ultimate healer and the ultimate attractor. And this is first, when you're saying I love you, this is like sending love to yourself first, because you cannot attract a healthy partnership if you don't love yourself. And then you're sending love to your future partner's soul, wherever they are right now. Alright, so you're creating a love frequency that attracts like a beacon, right? These 4 phrases might seem simple, but when they are spoken with intention, with love, they have the power to completely shift your energy, completely realign yourself, right? Before we begin now, the actual practice, let's prepare your space and your heart. Alright, so what you need to do is sit comfortably with your spine straight. You'll be placing one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Okay, you'll close your eyes if that feels safe. Alright, and now you'll also be taking 3 deep breaths. So while you inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. I want you to release any expectations about when or how your partner will arrive. Let go of the need to control the timeline, my dear. Trust that this prayer is already working. Know that you are in safe zone and you're safe to open your heart completely. So give yourself the permission to feel whatever is coming up for you. If sadness surfaces, let it flow. It's old pain leaving you, my dear. If hope bubbles up, embrace it fully. If resistance appears, acknowledge it without any judgment. Alright, I'm going to be guiding you through this prayer now. So repeat the words silently or you can repeat it loud. Whatever feels right for you. Alright, this is your sacred journey. Remember that.
Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel your breath. Feel your heartbeat. Feel the life force within you. Take a deep breath in. Inhale, nice and deep. And exhale. Let go. And now, let's begin this sacred work. So repeat after me. Dear self, dear beautiful soul, I am sorry for all the times I did not believe that I was enough. I am sorry for waiting to be perfect before allowing myself to be loved. I am sorry for all the negative things I've said about myself, about my body, about my worthiness. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for abandoning myself. Please forgive me for seeking validation outside instead of finding it within me. Please forgive me for not seeing my own divine beauty. Thank you. Thank you for still being here. Thank you for your resilience. Thank you for your capacity to love even after being hurt. Thank you for your beautiful heart that refuses to give up on love. I love you. Take your own name and say, I love you exactly as you are. I love all your imperfections. I love your journey. I love your courage. One more time, take your own name and say, I love you. I am enough. I really love you. Give a pause for 15 to 20 seconds here. To all those people who I've loved before, to everyone who has hurt me, to every relationship that has not worked out for me, I am sorry for any pain that I have caused. I am sorry for holding on to resentments inside my body. I am sorry for letting all those experiences close my heart. Please forgive me for any harm that I have caused, knowingly or unknowingly. Please forgive me for not releasing you sooner. Please forgive me for carrying your energy into my present. Thank you for all the lessons. Thank you for showing me what I don't want so I can recognize now what I do want. Thank you for being a part of my journey. Thank you for helping me to grow. I love you enough to let you go completely. I love you by releasing all my cords, all my attachments, all the pain. I choose to love you now from a distance. I love you and I set us both free. Again, give a pause for 15 seconds. To my divine life partner, wherever you are right now, I am sorry for any energetic blocks that I have created that have kept us apart. I am sorry if my fear, my unworthiness, or my closed heart has delayed our meeting. Please forgive me for not being ready sooner. Please forgive me for the times I almost gave up on you. Please forgive me for doubting that you even exist. Thank you. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for doing your own healing work. Thank you for being on your way to me right now. Thank you for being exactly who you are. I love you already. I love you before even I have met you. I love the person you're becoming. I love the life we will create together. I love you and I'm ready for you now. I love you. Once again, pause for 15 seconds. To my ancestors, to the women in my lineage who came before me, I am sorry for any pain you carried in your relationships. I am sorry if you didn't experience the love you deserved. I am sorry if I'm still carrying those patterns. Please forgive me for judging your choices. Please forgive me for repeating old patterns unconsciously. Please forgive me for any ways I've dishonored your journey. Thank you for your strength. Thank you for surviving so I could be here. Thank you for the wisdom you've passed down. Thank you for blessings my path to love. I love you. I honor you. I release what no longer serves me. And I love you. I break the patterns today that needs to be broken. And I love you. Today, I choose differently. I love you. Pause for 15 seconds. Dear Universe, dear God, dear Divine Mother and Father, I am sorry today. I am sorry for trying to control everything. I am sorry for my impatience. I am sorry for doubting your plan for me. Please forgive me for my lack of faith. Please forgive me for the times I settled for less because I didn't trust you. Because I didn't trust that you would bring me more. Please forgive me for rushing instead of trusting. Thank you. Thank you for creating everything perfectly. Thank you for protecting me from wrong connections. Thank you for preparing both me and my partner for our divine meeting. Thank you for this journey. I love you, my divine. I love you. I trust you. I surrender to your timing. I know you are bringing my person to me in my perfect moment. I love you and I trust you completely. Give a pause for 20 seconds. And now, with both hands on your heart, repeat these 4 phrases as many times as feel right for you. Speak them to yourself, to love itself, to your future partner. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Give a pause, give a silence for 1 minute. And whenever you're ready, once again, take a deep breath, breathe, inhale and exhale. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and slowly you can open your eyes. God bless you.
So, my dear beautiful soul, what you just did was powerful. Yes, yes, tell me that. You cleared your energetic space. You raised your vibration. You sent out a beacon to your divine partner. Here's how you're going to be integrating this into your life every day, right? So every morning, place your hands on your heart and speak these 4 phrases. It just takes 3 to 5 minutes. This is actually going to be keeping your energy clear and your heart open. And whenever doubt is creeping in, whenever you're feeling lonely, desperate, unworthy, come back to these phrases. They are your anchor. They are reminding you of that you are whole, you are worthy, and love is on your way. Alright? Before you sleep, end your day by sending love to your future self for being happy, whole, and complete herself, right? With her life partner. She's feeling complete with her life partner now. So you can visualize that also. Remember, my dear, this prayer is not about forcing an outcome. It's about healing yourself, loving yourself, and creating the most loving, energetic space possible, both for yourself as well as your partner. Alright, future partner, trust the process, trust the divine timing, and if this prayer resonated with you, please share it with any women in your life who really needs this right now, needs this healing. You never know whose life you might be touching, right? And in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. How did this prayer make you feel? What came up for you during this practice? Are you committing to practicing this daily? So let's create a community of support here, my dear. Your story might be exactly what any other woman wants to hear. Right? I'm sending you a lot of love on your journey. Remember, you're not alone. You're not alone at all. You're held, you're loved. Meeti Miraki, my dear.